Hello everybody, it's Compound Interest Stockguy, the #1 underrated YouTube channel in trading and investing on YouTube. This is the #1 underrated channel out there. I want to disclose I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment information purposes. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about. Buy or sell after your own research, due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. So yeah, I just want to talk, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Share the video with friends and family. And like it. But yeah, I mean, this is the #1 underrated YouTube channel. I'll tell you why. Who else has planned out that cannabis will be a $1 trillion industry by 2043? I created all that stuff myself. I'm an original person. I did all that myself, and I promise you it's gonna be pretty much exactly to a T. You look at companies like Curaleaf, they're already doing 150 million a quarter. Truliev's doing 120, GTII is doing 120 million. We're just getting started, right? There's a whole globe to take over. And then, you got cannabis in Canada at 2 billion. USA is going to be at 20-30 billion before you know it. And then when, Europe and across the globe take over, there's going to be so much money in cannabis sales every year. Cannabis beverages is going to be very popular. So, 23 years from now, yeah. I also, was talking about rhodium. I said it was in one of my first videos that rhodium was basically, it's gone to $10,000, and I think it can go there again. And it did. Went to $10,000 this year, $13,000 to be exact. I wish I would have bought in rhodium, but premium was too high when I was trying to buy it at about 700 USD. It would have been 900 USD. I'm knowledgeable about precious metals, platinum, palladium, gold, silver, rhodium. Knowledgeable about all those metals. I know something valuable information about every one of those metals that not many people know about. I know the cannabis industry in and out. In and out. I know what companies are generating certain amount of revenues. I know what companies are generating EBITDA. I know what companies got cash. I know which companies are popular. I just know the stuff. I know the natural gas industry. Companies like Peyto. I know the uranium industry, Kamenko. You got Next Gen Energy, Fission, Pierpoint Uranium, Energy Fuels, I know so many different broad industries. You're not going to find such a broad, knowledgeable person on YouTube. Sure, there's people that may talk about it, but they don't know much about it. They don't know that platinum is in catalytic converters. They don't know that rhodium is in catalytic converters. They don't know palladium's in catalytic converters. They don't know that silver is the most electrically conductive metal out there. They don't know that stuff, but I do, because I'm Compound Interest, and I'm the #1 underrated YouTube channel in trading and investing. Straight up, the #1. Find me a YouTuber that's more underrated than me, that's got more knowledge than me in so many different areas. Find one. There's people that talk about cannabis and they talk very basics, and then they got some nice lighting and whatever, and they do some nice editing, and then somehow they blow up and they got 50,000 subscribers, but they don't know half the shit that I know. It's not a cocky thing to say that. I'm just a humble being. But I hold the #1 underrated YouTube channel in investing and trading. Promise you. I know how to read financial statements. I know how to read financial statements. I know what EBITDA is. I know what net income is. I understand debt. I understand share count. I understand diluted shares. I understand market cap. I know how people can compound their interest over time on a yearly basis. Maybe if they have it in their RSPs and they're getting 5% on, say, $1,000, and it grows to a certain amount after 10, 20 years. I know these things. I'm very, very knowledgeable. There's a rainbow over there. It's nice. I know companies in the S&P 500. I know options. I know options trades. I'm in a PANAMERICAN-SILVER trade right now, and that's in the money, 10% in the money. I just got a 2022 options for Kamenko. Because if silver blows up by then, that'll be a very nice contract. I knew that Warren Buffett was involved and he owned lots of silver back in the day. You know, it's just funny. More people need to know about my channel because I know this stuff. You know, people watching people that don't know anything. They just talk about it. They just talk about it and they pretend like they know everything about it. But they really don't know things. They're just hypesters. They hype things up, but they really don't know anything about it. They don't have the knowledge. They just talk about it. But they pretend like they know everything. I don't pretend anything. If I don't know it, I don't know it. But I know lots of things, so you know. Just want to say that #1 underrated YouTube channel in investing and trading, commodities, cannabis, you name it. So anyways, that's a wrap. Compound interest. Shaka, peace. I'm out.